Need to update your Facebook name? Let's learn how to change it directly on your iPhone. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to change your Facebook name on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on the Settings option. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the search icon. Type Change Name into the search bar. The name option will appear on the list. Tap on it. Now, clear your previous name from the fields provided and enter your new name. Once you are finished, tap on the Done button on your keyboard. Tap on the Review Change option from the bottom of your screen. Finally, tap on the Save Changes option to confirm your new name. And this is how you can change your Facebook name on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.